The new Alpinestars Techstar gear is engineered for the best fit and overall performance, offering an athletic, snug fit for the highest amount of comfort on the bike while retaining freedom of mobility. Alpinestars' exclusive vector back panel provides comfort and flexibility and features a design you won't find in other gear competitors. The pant's unique knee design allows freedom of movement and breathability, while the jersey offers a tapered design for ultimate integration, no bunching, and an all-around better fit. Overall, the venting is top-notch and the gear is extremely lightweight, and you don't have to sacrifice performance for durability. It's easy to see why some of the top racers in the world wear Alpinestars. Alpinestars, making racers faster since 1963.